careful. Mike, tornado warnings continue in effect for 4 separate areas. Tornado warnings continue for the folks that live in northwestern Lincoln County. Same storm that tracked over the Midwest City area, still moving to the east and the northeast.
We're sitting here watching some lightning and the wind's blowing, so if the wind's blowing, that's usually a good thing. Because if it gets calm, that's when you have to start worrying.
Did they come around and watch your style? Did you have plans to be a star? Did you have plans to become more than you are?